Look at your hand. If you are wearing any gold, you are wearing the ashes of a dead star. This is not a metaphor. The gold in that ring was forged in a collision so violent it bent space and time itself. This is a neutron star, the most extreme object in the entire universe. When a giant star dies, it collapses. Its core is crushed until a mass greater than our entire sun is packed into a ball the size of a city, just 15 kilometers across. The result is so dense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh 4 billion tons. Let that sink in. 1 teaspoon, 4 billion tons. In fact, if you could squeeze all of humanity, every single person alive today, into neutron star density, we would all fit inside a single sugar cube. Now here is where it gets stranger. These city-sized stars spin, and not slowly. The fastest known neutron star rotates 700 times every second. Picture that. A ball heavier than the sun, spinning faster than the blades inside a kitchen blender. Its surface moves at nearly a quarter of the speed of light. As it spins, it fires beams of radiation into space like a cosmic lighthouse. When those beams sweep past Earth, we detect them as perfectly timed pulses. We call these pulsars, and they are the most accurate clocks in the known universe. The gravity on a neutron star is almost impossible to imagine. It pulls 100 billion times harder than Earth. If you dropped a single marshmallow onto its surface, it would hit with the energy of an atomic bomb. To escape its gravity, you would need to travel at half the speed of light. And if you somehow stood on the surface, you would not stand. You would be instantly flattened into a layer of atoms thinner than a sheet of paper. But there is a rarer, more terrifying version. It is called a magnetar. A magnetar has the strongest magnetic field in the entire universe, a quadrillion times stronger than Earth's. That is a 1 followed by 15 zeros. If a magnetar appeared halfway to the moon, its magnetic field would wipe every credit card on the planet and erase the data from every hard drive. Yet within 1,000 kilometers, and the magnetic force would literally dissolve the atoms in your body. You would stop being a person and become a cloud of particles. So where does the gold come from? On August 17, 2017, scientists detected something historic. 2 neutron stars, spiraling toward each other, collided at 1/3 the speed of light. The explosion, called a kilonova, was so powerful it sent ripples through space and time that we detected right here on Earth. And in that single collision, the universe forged 16,000 times the mass of the Earth in precious metals. Gold, platinum, all of it. Every atom of gold on this planet was born in a crash like that, billions of years ago, before the Earth even existed. So the next time you look at a piece of gold, remember what you are really holding: the remains of 2 dead stars that collided in unimaginable violence, long before our planet was born. You are wearing a piece of the most extreme event in the universe. If this rewired your brain a little, subscribe. The universe has stranger stories, and we tell one every week.